guys, how are you? Vladimir here from Home Trader Club. In this video, I would like to share with you my review and update on the progress I have on and about Mugan Markets and the partnership I have with them, and how you can benefit from this partnership as well. So Mugan Markets, as you know, as I created on my previous review video, you can of course find this video on my channel and watch it. So Mugan Markets updated many things since then. They improved a lot of the functionality for traders. That starts with ways to deposit and withdraw money from. That has to do with the regulation that they been adding, and there are many more great things coming and developing on the go, and will be coming and published very soon. As I mentioned before, I do have my partnership with them, and as part of that and the support from Mugan Markets in my work and my community, then the traders from my community can access to my projects absolutely free. Okay, there are of course conditions for that, which means once you have your account, this account should be active, okay? Because there is no logic behind just putting money that does nothing. The whole concept here is trading, volumes and trading. That's it. Simple, very simple. And thanks to that, again, as I mentioned before, you can get the access to my products. So here is what you should do. How can you get the access to my products, and what products are included? With the link below this video, you can join Mugan Markets, open your trading account with them, fund it. Of course, make sure you trade it. And here is the deal I have with Mugan Markets to my community, and big thanks to Mugan Markets, of course, for allowing that. You can, all the members of Mugan Markets who join from my community can go and choose 3 of the amazing tools I have here for traders. You go to the blog, vladimirribakov.com, strategies and courses, in-house indicators, choose any 3 you want, any 3 tools you want, and you get full access to that. Of course, the paid version, you get it free, okay? Any 3 of them. Or you get 3 months free access to the Home Trader Club. Okay, 3 full months of access. If you prefer access instead to any of my trading systems like the SRS, Forex BBB, or the Divergence University, or anything else, no problem. Again, this is an offer for the community, so whatever works for you, we can make it work. Here's what you have to do. Just contact me. Of course, first of all, complete your steps. Open your account, fund your account with Mugan Markets. Use the link below, because we will have to verify it all comes from the community. And contact me in my Telegram, which you can see right now on this very screen. Let me know your choice of a strategy, the access to Home Trader Club, or any of my trading tools and the indicators we have here, or robots that help you with like risk management, or trailing the stop loss, Trailer Pro we have, which is amazing features for those who, amazing indicator actually, with features that fit those who love to ride a trend and move or trail their stop losses. So this is the offer, especially for our community. And again, thanks to Mugan Markets for allowing it, of course, for supporting me, my work, and my community. And enjoy, guys. So now I want quickly to go and show all the new features you have for you. This is again my the follow-up on my account. This is my progress. By the way, this is a great stuff here. I'm very happy with that, because a very serious milestone is achieved for me here. That's 10% achieved on profits here. I'm very happy. It took, I started in the middle of May, and now we are close to mid of July, 10% achieved. I'm pretty satisfied with that and the progress. So again, this is the portal, and I want to explain how, again, you can take benefit from all the features. Okay, so once you open your account, of course, assuming you want to trade with Mugan Markets and you like what they offer, then once you are in, take a look on all the new deposit funds and withdrawals available for traders. Okay, look at the variety of the instruments. It could be the Cardano, Avalanche, Bitcoin, Binance, Dash, Doge, Ethereum, Litecoin, Polygon, SHIB was added as well, Solana, USDT, USDC, of course, the classical, Ripple, which been soaring since the last couple of days, and all that, of course, is available for you, both for the deposits and the withdrawal. Very convenient. All you have to do is just follow here with the Pay with Crypto. You deposit and withdraw instantly with the cryptocurrencies to your desired wallet. And also, I want to pay your attention to on the three amazing opportunities you have here available for traders. Number one is the classical ECA, and you got very convenient spread starting from 0.9 pip. Great leverage, huge leverage. Of course, no need to be using the leverage on maximum, because remember, with leverage it's very tricky. It from one side allows you to profit more, but remember, every coin has two sides, and same here. Leverage could boost your profit, but also could accelerate your losses if the market goes against you. So leverage must be used very smartly. But they have great conditions here, and minimum lot size starting from 0.01. Account currency, you can choose how it works with you, right? And commissions, basically zero. And this is one of my favorites. Extremely low spreads, same leverage, very tight commission. It's less than 1 pip for lot, and fantastic, of course. And this is the custom. That's for more serious traders of you, those who work with more than $10,000, like myself in that case. And then you can custom with Mugan Market, set up with the instruments that are important to you to set up the proper spreads, minimize where it's required, minimize the commissions as well. They are very friendly in that case, that you can set up the conditions that are best for you. Okay, so if you want the customly picked, prepared, designed conditions in your trading account, this is the correct account for you, the custom ECN. Contact Mugan Markets, let them know what instruments you need exactly to be optimized for trading. If there are specific instruments that you want to get better conditions, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's it for this video. I just want to give a quick update on the amazing features they added. That's the deposit and the withdrawal. There are many more amazing things that should come very soon. I always have my communication with Mugan Markets to see what they can add and how can they improve their conditions for traders. Now you have the variety of the accounts, which is amazing. The custom one, I wanted to put the focus on that, because apparently not enough people are aware of that. So you can design it to your trading if there are specific instruments that are important for you. Yeah, and as I mentioned before in this video, you can get your access to any of my projects. Enjoy from that. Thanks to Mugan Markets once again, and this is a great opportunity to thank Mugan Markets for supporting me, my community, and allowing me to offer that for my community, so you guys can benefit from it and take advantage of it. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me and ask. I'll be more than happy to assist and answer, of course. You can reach me out directly in my Telegram or by support team email. We are there for you. So thanks again for watching. Best to you and yours. Good trading. I'll see you soon with more. Bye for now.